Hey, it's Philip and Tasha. We've got another one for you to check out.
Yes, we have another deal for you.
Yeah, we're at the retreat and they're building out here. You can hear the skid loader in the background doing a little bit of work over there. But this house is a nice surprise.
So let's go in and take a look.
All right, here we go. Well, this home is a special treat. I'll put the specs right here. They've got them on a sign and you can check them out. There you go. It's the DiMaggio. It is an 1,810 square foot home, 4 bedroom, 2 bath. There's the skid loader. Here's Tasha.
Hey,
Here we go.
come on in.
So you walk into the home, the first thing you see is some beautiful LVP. This is the model home, of course. And we go to the left here a little bit. Here we go. We got a nice 3-piece bathroom. Tub shower combo. Nice surround. It all feels good and solid. Nice sink. There's Miss Tasha. Let's see what she's got down here to show us.
Okay. Bedroom number 1. So this would make a nice bedroom or a nice office.
Yeah, they've got it all set up. Nice closet here. Let's see what we've got. There we go. Hey, that's nice and deep. It's more than just a little reach-through closet there. Oh, I missed something.
This is darling.
This is just something special.
Bedroom number 2. Ooh, this is a good sized closet too.
Nice size. This room is something. This is nice. These walls have a nice light texture, nothing heavy. There's a little bit on the ceiling. All white. It's all painted up white here. And see some of the detail work on they did a good job on the baseboards. They got it all sealed in. Looks good. See where Miss Tasha's taking us now.
Okay. This is a good sized laundry room.
Hey, that works, huh?
And here is bedroom number 3.
There we go. It made this one into an office. And it probably has another one of those nice closets. Yeah, it's a little bit shallower, but it's full length closet. You're not going to believe the price on this house. What you get for the money.
So here's the main living area. This is laid out nice.
Oh, very nice. Nice view of the woods behind the house.
Yes. We're in the retreat in Summerdale. And are we saving the price for later?
Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll see if they'll hang out with us a little longer for that price.
Just hang out with us.
Just hang out with us.
Quartz countertops.
You got to do the whole nail thing here, honey. There you go.
Our daughters do that.
Yep.
And then stainless steel appliances and a good sized pantry.
Let's look in that pantry. Show the pantry off.
It's a good size.
Yeah, for the size of this home, it is a good size. Good size.
So in this neighborhood, the houses, the floor plans are named after famous baseball players. So this one is the DiMaggio.
The DiMaggio.
And that's it. You could fit a good sized dining table over there.
Yeah, for sure. Nice sized backyards.
Yes, a lot of these back up to the woods, which is nice. And we're out in the country. We are County Road 32, and so we are 16 miles to the beach.
Hey, tell them about the Non-snooty HOA they've got here.
Okay. This neighborhood does have an HOA, but they're not snooty. They're that strict, not that picky. So you can fence in your backyard. You can have an above ground pool if you want. You can have a shed in your backyard if you want.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yes.
You know, in some of the neighborhoods that we've shown you, they don't allow sheds in the backyard.
Right, or the pool would have to be in ground.
Yep.
So this one is more budget friendly.
Yep. There's something for everybody down here in Baldwin County.
Yes. And so best for last again is the primary.
This looks like they've got them a fancy thermostat. I bet you that thing's tied to the internet somehow.
Oh, that is another thing.
Oh, yeah.
In this neighborhood, the internet is included in your HOA. So you don't have an internet bill. You just pay your HOA dues,
So
which is not much.
This is a king-size bed. You can see there's plenty of room in here.
Yes. And then here's, oh, this is a nice ensuite.
Look at that. They've got it all fixed up. You got a spot to put your makeup on and everything right there.
And a nice large walk-in shower.
Yeah, nice all fiberglass. Very nice.
And this is a very good sized closet.
This works.
Yes, and then here is the internet.
Okay, she's pointing over here. We've got to take a look and see
Have
what
you ever seen internet? That's what it looks like.
I suspect it's behind this panel here. So you'll have to stay tuned. Tasha will give you the rundown on the internet at some point.
Well, that's what it looks like.
So now we all know what the internet looks like.
And we're not done. We'll show you one more house in this neighborhood.
Okay, well, let's get out of this closet. They're probably dying to know what the price of this home is.
Oh, okay. So this, how you want to do it here or out there?
I don't know, you're talking to the camera right now. Just go ahead and tell them what you want to tell them.
Okay, this house, the DiMaggio in the retreat, built by Lennar, has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,810 square feet, and guess the price.
Are you asking me?
Yes.
I already know the price.
Okay, then don't guess. $291,000. So it's under $300,000.
Under $300,000.
Yes.
How many minutes from the beach?
Probably about 30
I
minutes.
almost stumped her.
Yeah, 16 miles, but probably about, it depends on traffic.
Okay. Well, let's see what else she's got to show us here. Hey, do you think we better tell them who we are?
Oh. Okay. Philip and Tasha Smith, we're your Gulf Coast Realtors. And please like and subscribe and call, text, or email us. And we'd love to represent you, be your buyer's agents, and help you move to the Gulf Coast.
And we'll keep bringing you homes like this.
Yes.
You just got to hang out for just a little bit longer and we're going to show you the next one. Hey, we're back. We told you we'd have another one for you. So here we go. Here we go. Tasha's going to show you this beautiful home. What's this one called?
The Maze.
The Maze. The Maze or the Maze?
M-A-Y-S.
Okay.
Which ball player? Billy Mays, Willie Mays? I don't know.
I guess somebody with that last name, huh?
Someone will tell us. I don't know our ball players.
Yeah. Hey, this is nice and wide open. So this is a brand new one. They just finished it up. Nice and echoey in here, no furniture. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this room. Goodness gracious. There we go. That's nice.
Yeah, this is a good sized kitchen. Again, the quartz countertops. All of the Lennar homes are the same. Like,
they're not all
they're not all the
but
same, but I mean, like the finishes, the quartz countertops.
There's that countertop she's talking about.
It's just, you're going to have white cabinets and quartz countertops. You're not going to have different colors of granite or different colors of cabinets. It's nice. It's simple. This is a nice big sink.
It's what you need.
And that's a good size pantry.
Hey, I'm seeing refrigerators in this. Do you think that's part of an appliance package that they're throwing in, or what?
Yeah, if it's here.
It's here. It goes with it, I guess. We'll talk to that Lennar rep just to make sure that we're not misquoting or misguiding you in the wrong direction.
And
hey, this one backs up to the backyard. Of course, it backs up to the backyard. Yeah, right. Backs up to the woods there. That's nice.
And that's a good size backyard.
Yeah.
And then the laundry room.
Yep, there we go. So this is the primary, because Tasha's going to show us around it here.
We're doing this backwards. We usually do the primary last.
Hey, it's all right.
This is our first time walking through this house.
Yeah, we've not seen this home yet. But
we're a little lost.
We're a little, yeah. Hey, nice colors on the floor. I like that.
Yeah, I do like this flooring. And again, the big walk-in shower.
Yeah, this one's a little smaller. I think this one's like a 1,500 square foot home. But that price is ridiculous. You'll have to wait to see the price. We're going to hold out on you.
This closet it goes on and on.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, that is a nice sized closet. For sure.
And there's more internet.
Oh, she's found more internet. There's the
everywhere in this.
It's everywhere. It's hiding behind that box. If you've ever wondered what the internet looks like, Tasha has found it.
So there's 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom waiting to find. Yeah, this is a good size house.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Walk back here in that corner. Just let everybody see how far. I mean, there is more than enough room in this house. You put a large dining room table in this area. Oh, somebody left their phone in this house. It's one of the workers. We're not going to edit that out.
Okay. So right off the front door, over here are the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom.
Yeah. Somebody's going to be in trouble for not answering the phone. Yeah, nice looking.
And
very
it
nice.
looks like they already have blinds in the house too.
Yeah, that's one less thing you got to buy.
Yes, blinds, refrigerator. It is very move-in ready.
What has she got here going on? We got to close the lid on that potty. You don't want to look in there. Nobody's using it. It's just one of those things we don't like to do. Show the potty.
Yes. We are professional.
We're professional. We'll cover it up for you.
Okay, so yeah, good tub shower combo. This works.
Very nice. So this is the bedroom here. Hey, this would make a nice office. It's nice and bright and light in here. Good lighting coming in.
It's a good sized closet there too.
Yeah.
Not a walk-in, but it's still big enough.
Yeah, most definitely.
And this home is the Maze. And it is 15.
Oh, she's got that price sheet here.
I do. 1569 square feet.
Okay.
So 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and the price $269,900.
$269,900. How many minutes from the beach?
About 30 minutes.
Almost stumped her.
I know.
It's right off 59.
On County Road 32.
32, yeah.
And in Summerdale, so we're north of Foley, almost to Robertsdale, but not to Robertsdale.
Low traffic area.
Yes.
So you can have a really nice house.
And be away from the crowd and go to the beach whenever you want.
You know, you could make a summer home out of this if you wanted to.
Oh, yeah.
Or it could be a primary. Or we might be able to help you if you're looking to invest your money in the rental market. I'm pretty sure you can make some pretty good money on this one.
Oh, absolutely. And people are looking for rentals all the time, and there's a lot of jobs up north in Bay Minette and in Pensacola and in Mobile. So
we help investors all the time find a place to park their money and get a better return than what they're going to get in the open market.
Yes. And then another thing, if you're paying cash, the price is different. It's lower.
It's much lower.
And then, with all the builders, lots of the builders, they're always sending us their finance price is this, cash price is this, and lots of incentives. But this is gold fortified. They all are. And
so we love to bring you guys deals like this, just so you can see you don't have to spend a fortune to be down here.
No, it's very doable.
Very doable, and some good school districts.
Yes.
And you have all your conveniences of everything that you need. And let's face it, being on the outskirts isn't a bad thing.
No.
When you're just a little bit of time to the beach versus we used to spend 13 hours to get down here. Right. So you have to put that into perspective. What's an extra 30 minutes to go to the beach versus 13 hours to come down on vacation? So anyhow, enough of us yammering on about what we have here for you to check out and what kind of super deals. Get a hold of Tasha and myself, and we're more than happy to work with you or work with your relatives or whatever and help you find the right home.
Absolutely.
So, one last look at that beautiful kitchen and backyard. Hey, y'all have a nice day.
Okay.
All the way over here. Look at the space.
Philip is showing you how big the yards are and how much space is between the houses. And I get to be the cameraman.
This can all be yours.
Okay. Yeah, this is nice. I like the trees.